What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install these Mainstay vinyl blinds I got from Walmart. The cheap ones are like 10 bucks. They should do the job. So that's the box. I'm using 35 by 64. Make sure you measure your window to make sure you get the right size. And this is what it looks like. So it comes like this. It's got the little roller to open and close the blinds. It's got these two clips and it's got these two. So these two are to, from what I understand, to keep the bottom part down. And then these are to hold it up. So you take these two, you mount them on the window. Let me see. So they go like this. The long part is on the top, goes like that. One right there, one right here. These are the old ones. I still have to take them off. And then you should be able to slide it on. Let's try this. Got my handy dandy drill and a Red Bull to make life better. All right, let's see if this comes off. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that, and I'll be right back. So I was able to get them off, but the guy before who did our work on this house apparently didn't take them off to paint, but so I'll have to do a little touch up on that. But moving right along.
Alright, so we got one there. I'm using the smaller bolts.
Just had a ladybug land on my finger. That's a good luck, I guess. Yeah. Get off. I don't want to hurt you, dude. I'm gonna do the other one close to here again. Trying to do it as even as possible. Now technically you should be measuring the sound and drawing things, and I'm sure I'll get a lot of hate on this from the people who do it the right way, but it works.
No, I didn't know.